Hello everyone, hi, how are you guys doing? So let's continue our discussion on Saskatchewan PNP, and in this particular presentation I will take you through the expression of interest process of Saskatchewan PNP. This is the first and foremost step in the Saskatchewan PNP, so it's very important that we understand how this process works. So in this particular presentation I'll take you through that, and again I have created a whiteboard for this particular process, so which shows the flow of different steps at a very high level from a understanding point of view. So if you want to apply for Saskatchewan PNP, then you have to go through this expression of interest flow. It starts off with creation of your expression of interest profile, which we will go through in this particular presentation. Once you create your expression of interest profile, you land into a pool of candidates, which is your expression of interest pool. SINP will do periodic draws out of those pools, and based on different factors which we will cover, send you invitation to apply. Once you get the invitation to apply, you will have the instructions on how to submit your PNP application. So your expression of interest profile is not your application, it's just an expression of interest. You are expressing your interest in Saskatchewan. Once you get your invitation to apply, you will have more information on what to do, how to do, and then you will follow those instructions. Once you submit your application, it goes to SINP, and then SINP will make a decision of approval or rejection based on the information that you have provided. So this is a very high level flow that I just went through. Let's go into details. We will go into bigger details as we go forward. So this is the web page which has all the information of the expression of interest. If you want, you can scan this QR code and land on this particular web page. Let's look into the details of expression of interest. As I said, this is the first step of your journey to Saskatchewan PNP. So it's very important that we understand how this process works. If you find yourself eligible for one of the streams, it's very important that you do a self-assessment and make sure that you are eligible for one of the SINP streams. If you are eligible for one of the streams, submitting an expression of interest is your first step to applying for SINP. So you start off this by creating an expression of interest profile, which we will go through in this particular presentation. However, before we go that way, let's understand what is expression of interest and what it is not. Expression of interest, as you can see here, I have highlighted some section while doing my research. Expression of interest is not an application. It's only a pre-application where you are indicating your interest in Saskatchewan and you are showing your qualification. You will have to do your assessment for your eligibility. Once you find that you are eligible, you go through this process and then create an expression of interest profile. Once you create an expression of interest profile, then Saskatchewan will invite people based on their labor market needs and based on their requirements, and will send you an invitation to apply. Obviously, whoever creates an expression of interest, not all of them will be invited, which is very understood. So you will be invited based on different criteria. So that is what we will go through next. These are some of the basic information you should have ready with you if you are creating your expression of interest. So very basic. Pause and read through it, or open the QR code that we just shared. How expression of interest system works. By creating an expression of interest, you are entering a pool of eligible candidates. You create a profile just like your express entry profile, and this is valid only for a period of 1 year. You can have only one profile at a time, and obviously you cannot have multiple profiles in the system. Based on the information that you have provided, you will be ranked, and you will have to prove those points at a later time when the application time comes. So make sure that any information that you are declaring here is correct and true. SINP, as they say, they may, and in the most case they will, restrict the number of invitations to apply based on labor market demands for Saskatchewan, so that not many people are invited, which should not exceed the employment situation in Saskatchewan. So the number of expression of interest might be limited, might be controlled. It can also be controlled by occupation. So it's quite possible that if you meet a score threshold, you are still not invited because you might not meet the occupation threshold. So very important to understand how the expression of interest system works. There is a section on this web page which says how candidates are ranked. Obviously, ranking is based on the score that you declare. So based on the scores, the candidates are ranked based on the score that they claim. Once the score is determined, then they look at the criteria like connection to Saskatchewan. So if you already have a family in Saskatchewan, or if you have already worked in Saskatchewan, or if you have already studied in Saskatchewan, those kind of criteria will make your profile stronger, even though you might have a equal score with somebody else. It can make occupation specific selection in the expression of interest system, and that will happen because SINP wants to limit and invite only those people which fulfill their economic demands. Obviously, goes without saying, the criteria for selection can change at any time, and if your job or your work experience is not in demand in Alberta, you will not be invited no matter how much high you score on the expression of interest system. Your invitation to apply will detail out all the steps that you need to follow for making the application. So this is the next step in the process, which we will not cover in this particular presentation. In this, we are only concentrating on the expression of interest. So this is what the expression of interest system basic is. Okay, let's go into the whiteboard once again. So if I go into my whiteboard, my trusted whiteboard, you will see here that this is the process that we just talked about. Okay, and now we will go into the how to of the expression of interest. So let's go into that. Okay, if you come and land on this particular page and you click on create expression of interest profile, you will be taken to this particular page. If you already have a user ID password login, but if you don't, let's create one. So it follows a system called Oasis. So you will have to click create an account. So let's do that. Create an account. Next, you will have to select registration type. You will have to select registration as you're not an employer, you're not a recruiter or a consultant, and you're not an entrepreneur. So you are an SINP applicant. So you click that. Continue. You select your username, first name, middle name, family name, date of birth, and email address. These are very self-explanatory. So you enter all the required information and then click on submit. Your registration was successful. You get a notification like that, and now it's time to go to your email and check your mail. So once you get your confirmation, go to your email, check your email. It will have your username and password. Use that to log in. So you are now logged in. You will have to change your password, the one that you received on your email. Very self-explanatory. I'm not doing anything fancy. Okay, now you are into the expression of interest system. Click on I agree and click on please click here to begin. So this is how you create your profile, activate your profile, change your password and everything. And now you are ready to create the actual expression of interest. That will be covered in my next presentation. So thank you everyone. If you have questions, reach out to me or keep in touch. Thank you so much.